In this video, let me show you how to fix Instagram swipe reply feature not working. Welcome back everyone to a new guide video of 1 to Step. If you're not being able to swipe and reply to other people on your Instagram account, then let me show you a couple of fixes that you can try out. Now first of all, if the swipe feature is not working for you, you can also tap and hold on the message and this reply option should open up. If this is still not showing up for you, the other reason why this may happen is if you have added in multiple accounts. So if you have multiple accounts logged in, you may be facing this issue. So what you can do in this case is log out of every other account and only keep one account that you're facing the issue with. So you need to keep that account by not logging into any other account for a couple of days, and without doing anything, the reply feature option should show up. I tried out this exact method and it worked for me. This is currently a bug with Instagram, so the only way that you can fix it, do the exact process that I told you. All the other things that you can also do are update your app of Instagram if you don't have the latest version yet. Update your app, and if it still does not work, you can just uninstall Instagram from your device and then again reinstall and download the application. These are a great way of clearing out bugs or glitches if that is something that you're dealing with, but in the most cases it's not the issue, so you can try out the first method that I told you. So that was the video. I hope you guys liked and found this video helpful. If you want more videos similar to this, make sure to hit that notification bell so you are notified for more uploads that we do on this channel. That's going to be all for today. Thanks for watching.